once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Ciao Tesla people, so I'm back from a nice brunch in Greve in Chianti. It was a nice ride. Today is 23 degrees Celsius. The weather is great, so I wanted to get out. There was the market in Greve. Everything went well. The ride is nice. Unfortunately, there was some traffic. Car went well. I didn't hear the noise from the back, so should be fixed. Everything is okay, and that's it. So please check my Tesla referral. If you're buying a Tesla, you can get up to 1,000 euros or dollar discount from Tesla. And please leave a like, share it, turn on notification, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.